So there's a difference there, and it's not just color. But luckily they are organized properly, as they should be. In alphabetical order, starting with B for bugs, and B for bugs, and yes. So what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So this is a soccer set that was European release. And there's a variation here I was unaware of. That's why I do like coming to see people's collections. And as I'm here checking out a collection, look at that variation. Do you see it? Do you see it? I do. Use your good eye. Or just use your eyes to look at the eyes. Because that's what we're doing here. And each stem color, they're all on 4/9 Hungary. But each one of them has a head with half eyes and full eyes. Usually we're talking about the cheeks. Here we're talking about the eyes. So now you not only need 4 of these, 1 in each color, now you need all 8 for the variations that exist in this. So if you know of any or other variations that you think are particularly neat, go ahead and leave them down below. So until next time...